Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We are back once again with my 370Z here at the park, just enjoying some really nice weather. I do have to be at work here in a few hours, so I'm just kind of out here filming until then, trying to kill some time, honestly. Um, but it's nice weather, so it's not bad. Um, but as you can probably tell from the title, today we're talking about the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 all-season tires that I had installed on the 370Z here recently. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what the tires look like up close. That way you get a good idea of what it looks like. All right, so taking a look at the passenger front tire here, you can tell that these Michelins look really nice. Now I know that when they installed the tires, they added some tire shine to the tires, and that made it look really nice as well. But even after that fades away, you can tell that it just looks really nice. Now as far as specs go on the tire, these are 245 4019s on the front. This car does have a staggered setup, so the rear tires are wider than the fronts. So if we go to the rear here, you'll see that the rear is 275 3519s. And once again, these are the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 all-season tires. So as far as these tires go and performance, these really grip the road. Like, I can take turns and it'll just immediately turn. Like, the steering is so precise, and the grip is insane. There's like no slip at all, so it really hugs the road, and I really love that about these tires. Now, these tires were very expensive. I paid around $1,400 for them for a set of 4, and that's a hefty price tag for just tires. But overall, I love these tires. They perform very well. In fact, honestly, the best tires I've ever used are the Michelin Pilot Sports. But I definitely recommend that you get these tires, even if you don't have a sports car. If you just have like a regular sedan or SUV or whatever it may be, just put these tires on if you can afford it, because they're super expensive. But if you can afford it, definitely do it, because these tires perform amazing. But I really wanted to make a video today about these tires because it's honestly the last performance upgrade that I am doing for this vehicle, because I don't really see myself turboing or supercharging the car for quite a while. So I've got intakes on there. I've got a tune, actually two tunes, a tune and then a revised tune. So it's been tuned twice, and I've got an axle back exhaust, and honestly, with tires, that's perfect for me. So performance on this vehicle is definitely not lacking. It does have quite a bit of power for what it is. So I really wanted to make this video to kind of show you the progress on the build at the moment. I really do think that the mods that are on here currently, it's going to stay that way for a while. So don't expect a lot of modification videos from this point on, unless I change my mind, but I don't think that I will. It's just so expensive to add mods to this car. So I'm kind of at a standstill at the moment. But I'm going to go around here at the park now and just kind of film some more videos. I have a couple other ideas for videos that don't really involve the vehicle there, but yeah, I love these tires, honestly. Yeah, I'm not disappointed at all, except for like the price. It did kind of hurt the bank quite a bit. But you gotta pay for quality, and that's what I did. So, but that's pretty much all I've got for today's video here. I wanted to keep it pretty short and just kind of show you guys the new tires. Like I said, I recommend these tires if you want some quality all-season tires. Pretty much the best of the best as far as I know. Definitely go with the Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got. So thank you for watching today's video. I'm going to walk around here, give my voice a little bit of a rest, because I've been trying to film this video for like 3 times now, trying to figure out the best way to say things, and I'm just gonna have to go with this one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.